Hello and welcome to Algebra Unit 3, Concept 2, Lesson 1. Today's objective, and remember you should be completing your guided notes as you do this, is that scholars will add and subtract polynomials. We're going to be adding and subtracting polynomials. So the first question, what is a polynomial? Well, a polynomial is an expression that's made up of multiple terms that cannot be combined. So here we have one. Oops, this should be second power up here. So this is 5x squared plus 82x minus 12. So as you can see, none of these can be combined because we have an x squared term, an x term, and then a constant. Remember, when we have no variable, that is called a constant. So let's talk about these. How do I add polynomials? And you see I had some formatting issues. Each of these big 2's should be squared. So this is 4x squared minus 3x minus x squared plus 3x. So we can simplify by just adding our like terms. So I have a 4x squared and a minus x squared. That combines to 3x squared. And then I have a negative 3x and a positive 3x. And that combines to 0, which we don't even have to write. So we just end up with 3x squared. All we're doing is combining the like terms. So what happens when we are adding polynomials? Here you'll see that I have this polynomial, 3x squared plus 2x. That I am adding to this polynomial, negative x plus 9. So, in this case, I'm just going to once again combine like terms. I don't have any other x squared terms, so this is 3x squared. I have a plus 2x and a minus x. When I combine them, I just get plus x. And then I have a 9. It turns into plus 9. Not that hard, right? Over here, I have negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 7 plus 3x plus 7. So I only have one squared term, so I have negative 2x squared. Then I'm going to combine plus 5x and plus 3x to get plus 8x. And then negative 7 and positive 7 combines to 0. We're just not even going to write that. So this is finally negative 2x squared plus 8x. So what if instead of adding, I'm subtracting? What if I'm going to be subtracting? So here I have 3x squared plus 4x plus 2 minus negative x plus 4. Well, the easiest way to do this is simply to distribute this minus to both of those, because he's asking to both. So that gives me 3x squared plus 4x plus 2 plus x, because minus negative x, minus 4. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. I only have one squared term. So I have 3x squared. I have 4x plus x gives me 5x. Positive 2 and negative 4 combined give me minus 2. That's not that bad. So let's come over here and look at this one. Here I have negative 5x minus 6 minus 4x squared plus 6. So again, I'm going to distribute my minus to each of these. So I'll rewrite it as negative 5x minus 6 minus 4x squared minus 6. So I put my squared term first. I have negative 4x squared minus 5x. And then I combine my negative 6 and my negative 6 to get negative 12. So really, for subtracting, all you're going to do is distribute your minus, and then you're going to be adding. So what about when we try to apply this? So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? Well, to find the perimeter of a rectangle, I simply add up my sides. So I have 5x plus 3 plus 3x minus 1. That's two sides. And then again, plus 5x plus 3. Move this over a little bit so you can see it. And then plus 3x minus 1. So I'm just going to add all this together. I have a 5x, a 3x, a 5x, and a 3x. So 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 5 plus 3 is 16. So that gives me 16x. And then I have a plus 3 and a minus 1. That's 2. And then a plus 3 and a minus 1 again. That's another 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So that gives me 6x plus 4. So the perimeter is 16x plus 4. Okay, go ahead and work on your classwork, and I will see you all in class.